This is our 20 feet container unit. The size is very near to the shipping container. The beams and columns are galvanized steel structure. Surfaces pre-treat D by machine after repeatedly polished. This long side wall is consisted by 6 pieces of wall panel, each size 950 mm. The wall material is 50 thickness sandwich panel, with 0.4 mm thick steel plate, making it very durable and strong. This is the seal strip between wall and column. It can prevent rain and wind from the room. Now this is the front side of the house. It has 1 door and 2 windows. The door is steel material and fireproof type. Plastic cloth wrapped on the surface. Very strong and heavy. Inside the house, the window is double glass layer, with screen to prevent the mosquito. Here is 1 switch, also equipped with 2 sockets. Circuit breakers. The interior ceiling is skirting line. The ceiling is 0.4 mm thickness, shaped with steel plate pre-coated and color-coded. The floor panel is used 18 km and GO board, fire prevention and moisture resistance.